up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, do yourself a favor and click on the subscribe button. Guys, if you are new, please click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you some of the mistakes you have been making on your skin that will make your skin age faster. Are you guys ready? And please, I know akwai masu ido idan kallon abubuwan da ba shi ba. I know some of you will notice my watch has not been working in my previous videos and my video today. It's because battery in ya mutu ake chako. Battery in ya mutu, and I'm too lazy to change it. So don't comment about it. Let me just dive into the video. So you guys might notice me looking down. It's because I jotted some of the things I want to talk about so I don't forget. And I will be peeping. Yes. So the first thing I want to talk about that is making you age. The is like super sharp is over-exfoliation. Yes, exfoliation is very, very good for the skin. It is excellent for the skin, but you have to know the difference between the number of times you should exfoliate. You have to know when you're going above the time you're supposed to exfoliate. So over exfoliation will cause damage to your skin. Okay, you're not going to comment on my skin, but no, it will cause damage to your skin. Over exfoliation is going to dry out your skin and it will cause inflammation, because kega hajar over sabi exfoliate, just carry face and exfoliate every day, so it's going to damage the skin and it will tamper with the protective barrier on your skin. Please, in exfoliate, you guys should exfoliate at least 2 to 3 times a week. Kalku over sabi, kalku che ku dole kuna da essence by MKJ Delicate scrub da yawa sai kun yi amfani da shi ya kare. So the next point is using wash clothes. So someone can. So someone is the same thing as exfoliation. Just carry harsh push on your face. It's very, very harsh on your face, and you are exfoliating the face. Then that it's hard and it's bristle, so it's just exfoliation, and you're supposed to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. And in kina using so apuska hukuma wash clothes apuska, it's just the same thing as exfoliation. So please don't do that every day. Don't even use so on your face. It's not advisable. Use any wash clothes. Wash clothes kin dauka kin diddirza fuskan ki sosai. No, kina mata da wanki ne. So please use your hands. That way ba sai an tara wanki ba. So the next point I want to make, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, please click on the subscribe button and then listen to the next point, because I don't want to see wrinkles all over your face. I don't want to see you guys aging. The next point, this thing is something that almost everybody is doing. A lot of people are doing it, if not everyone. Using bar soap on your face. Using bar soap on your face, it's actually making you look old. It makes you age. You guys are not supposed to use bar soap on your face. Bar soap damages the epidermis of the face, which leads to inflammation. What is this? Wallahi chingene. My light is causing Chinge to come and say hi to you on my video. So kuna ganin shi in form of bar din nan. Akwai binders din da suke holding din shi sa kuka ga yake zama in form of bar. So these binders kuma their pH is higher than the pH of your skin. So if you are using it on your face, it's very, very bad for the face. I don't know if you get what I am saying. If you don't understand what I am saying, please comment down below and I'll explain to you better. But when your skin enter like the alkaline stage is equals to dryness of the skin, and dryness of the skin is equals to aging and wrinkles. Nobody wants that. So don't use, bottom line is, don't use bar soap on your face. You guys are supposed to use cleansers on your face. Akwai face cleansers that are mainly for the face. So look for face cleansers and use it on your face. If you don't know any face cleanser to use, you can just send me a DM via Instagram or send me an email at emsu_. I'll just drop all the handles, and then you send me an email, and then I will suggest a very, very good facial cleanser for you. So the next point, using facial cleansers that have fragrances or alcohol. Like when you use facial cleansers that have fragrances or alcohol, you're just killing your skin. Yes, but that scent is equals to harm, and it might irritate your skin. It might not necessarily irritate your skin immediately, but it has a long-term impact on your skin. And please, you don't want that. You don't want your skin to like age quickly, or did I say quickly? Quick. I don't know how I pronounced that, but you don't want your skin to, like, your skin's aging to accelerate. So nobody wants that. And alcohol, anything that has alcohol, like using alcohol, is the worst thing you are ever going to do to your skin. Allah and find the alcohol on your skin, because it is going to irritate that skin to the highest level, and it is just going to tamper with your face. So please. Also, fun fact, I don't know if you already know that, but alcohol dries out the skin. Like, it makes your skin very, very dry. So you don't want a dry skin. Dry skin equals to calluses on your skin. I don't know if I'm supposed to call it callus, but you guys know what I'm saying. So nobody wants that. Nobody wants a flaky skin. So no alcohol. My chinges are saying hi, so please say hi back to them. If you're not subscribed yet, please just do it now. Subscribe. Once. And also, something that is killing the face, making you look old, is using all those fancy brushes. Yes, imkonga abusawa akazwa. Yes, it's fancy, it's rich, it's just the, like, it's the deal. All those clarisonic cleansers that you just love using. Yes, using it always is not good for the skin. I'm not saying using it is not good for the skin, but using it always is not good for the skin. You are not supposed to be using it every day. Saboda wannan kaman brush in the kuke gani da yake kai, the bristle is actually not good for your skin. Like, don't use it every day. They are not as gentle as you think, and they might lead to premature aging. We don't want to age prematurely, do we? No, nobody wants that. The next point is drying the skin. Maybe you want your skin and you want it to be dry, just carry towel. You're actually damaging your skin. So you're supposed to pat like a hankali and say your face is like an egg. Your face is your baby. You don't want it to get damaged. So just pat it dry, or better yet, kubari iskan Allah ya hura shi ya bushe. Like, that is the best thing you can do to your skin. Wash, ki bar shi ya bushe da kanshi. So the next point is, this point is for makeup artists. Miti ka dan kun dauko cleanser. Sorry, miti ka dan kun dauko wipes. Pi. Kungoje piska. Miti ka dan kun dauko wipes. Pi. Kungoje piska. So some of these wipes are actually doing you more harm than good. Yes, at that moment, zakugaya goje mukupuska and everything, and shimmer, its effect is over time. So I would advise, if you're using all those wipes, maybe you guys should look for water-based wipes. Could be the wipes that has alcohol in it, or just use baby wipes. It's better safe than sorry. We don't want you to age. And you know, wipes, what you do with wipes is you rub the face, right? Right? You are rubbing the face. So do you know what rubbing the face does? Let me tell you what rubbing the face does. Maybe you are going to like cut down on rubbing. Rubbing your face is equal to low-grade irritants, and low-grade irritant is equals to skin pigmentation. Nobody wants that. I know you don't want that. So the last point is using very cold water or very hot water to wash your face. You're supposed to wash your face with warm water. That is the ideal water you're supposed to wash your face with. Use warm water. If you have been watching my videos, I'm always like emphasizing on the use of warm water. It should be warm. Warm. Use warm water. So in Kuka using cold water will not remove all the dirt and the grime on your face. And when you use hot water is going to cause irritations on your face, and it will also dry out the skin. But when you use warm water is going to remove all the dirt, and it is going to preserve the oils and the nutrients your face needs. Simple. Your face is going to stay moisturized with warm water. Okay. Another one is overwashing your face. And because of coronavirus, wash your hands. The kinje washing hands, just carry water, wash your face. Please don't overwash your face. I know, yes, nobody wants dirt, nobody wants excess oil on their face, and and washing your face will remove dirt and it will remove excess oil on your face, but don't overdo it. When you overdo it, that is the problem. In fact, some dermatologists recommend you wash your face twice daily. When you overwash your face, it will damage the skin protective system. The skin has a protective system that you are going to damage that protective system. And when you damage that protective system, you are inviting irritants from the environment to penetrate into your skin, which is equals to inflammation. So when you are overwashing your face, so your face is going to be dry. You're going to have a dry skin. So please don't over-exfoliate, don't overwash. Use cleansers, facial cleansers. Don't use towels. Don't use bar soaps, because we don't want the binders that are in the bar soap. Use facial cleansers. Don't dry out your face aggressively. Pat the face dry, or better yet, kubari iskan Allah bushe. So this is the end of my video, and I hope it is helpful. If it is helpful, please share the video with your friend. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I forgot to thank you. Thank you very much for 400 subscribers. I'm already feeling like 400 subscribers. Thank you very much. Bye.